But those are points, and those are how many inches can you sit on the head of a pinpoint? This is hardball. They're telling me that you just discovered that and you don't have a stomach for it. I know you better than that. We spent too much time together. This is it, Henry. This is a person. You don't think that Abraham Lincoln was a horrible person? He had to tell his little story and smile and shake his head. And he did it just so that he would one day have the opportunity to stand in front of the nation and appeal to the better angels of our nature. And that's where the bullshit stops. That's what it's all about, so we have the opportunity.